The Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, expected launch, features, and leaks. The tech world is abuzz with anticipation for Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, widely speculated to debut in September 2025, in line with Apple's annual iPhone event tradition. While Apple has yet to confirm the official launch date, industry insiders like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman suggest a release window between September 10th and 13th. All eyes are on this flagship model, which promises to set a new benchmark in smartphone innovation. Sleek design and display enhancements. According to analyst Jeff Pu via MacRumors, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could feature a redesigned rear camera module, offering a sleeker aesthetic that distinguishes it from its predecessors, the iPhone 15 and 16 series. The 6.7-inch display is expected to retain its LTPO OLED technology with promotion 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a stunning visual experience. Next-level processing power. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely be powered by the Apple A19 Pro chip, developed using TSMC's second-gen 3nm process. This cutting-edge chip promises improved efficiency, performance, and enhanced capabilities for AI and on-device machine learning. Revolutionary camera features. Rumors point to major camera upgrades, including a complete rear panel redesign to accommodate new sensors and layout optimizations, reported by 9to5Mac and the LTPO. Pro models are also rumored to introduce dual recording capabilities, allowing simultaneous video capture from both front and rear cameras, a feature that could redefine mobile videography. Storage and build options. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to offer 256GB base model, up to 2TB for professional users and content creators. There's also chatter about a lighter titanium chassis and new color finishes, adding a modern touch to the design. iOS 19 and AI integration. Running on iOS 19, the iPhone 17 lineup is set to integrate advanced AI-powered features for photography, productivity, and accessibility. Apple's push toward personalized and private intelligence continues to elevate user experiences. Pricing predictions. Although Apple hasn't disclosed pricing details, industry predictions suggest a starting price of $1,199, with higher configurations priced accordingly. Rising component costs and premium features could further influence pricing.